I know every day can feel like Christmas time is here.
Sorry about that, y'all. Y'all went dead. But anyway, I was showing you guys these Nextcare Tegaderm bandages. So I got these bandages, guys, because these bandages are what I use to put over. I like to use these because whenever there's any bumps or bruises around the house, these are great to use for like when you're in the shower. They don't, you know, your wound will not be irritated. I also use them for my estrogen patch that I wear. And I like to put a bandage over my estrogen patch so that I'm not losing my medication, you know, because I take a lot of showers. So I'm always in water, y'all. I'm always washing child. So I wanted to get something just to protect my estrogen patch, as well as my daughter had an accident a few weeks ago, a very bad accident, and she messed her knee up. Not in a car, thank you Jesus, she fell. And so we were able to, these came in very handy in that they actually, you know, protected her wound while she was in the shower, and she was able to like wear them. And they're also too, because of the Tegaderm, it allows the wound also to breathe. And I don't know how that works, because when I tell you nothing gets in your wound, like these waterproof bandages are amazing. Nothing gets in near the wound or in the wound when you have these patches or these bandages. So if you are looking for, if you're a swimmer, or if you're just someone who are immersed in water a lot, and like I said, you may have a boo-boo or you have an accident, definitely check out this type of these bandages, because I feel like Nextcare is top tier in that retrospect, and they did come in handy when we needed them, because you know, my daughter was still able to take showers and all those things and not mess up her knees. So love that. Okay guys, I got a few more items. Like I said, this is going to be an unboxing video. So, here are some more finds. Okay. So this find here is something I got from Amazon. Y'all, I'm going to tell y'all what I did in a minute. So I got these wig stands, and I absolutely love them. So this is how they look on the back, right? And this is by Dream Lover. These Dream Lover wig stands, I got them from Amazon, and again, I will have them linked below. I needed some more wig stands because I actually have the ones that's the actual head. I don't know, y'all, I don't really care for those, because, and I also have to change my wig pins, honey, because those pins are just annoying that I have. And if you know what I'm talking about, the T-pins, I can't do it. Can't do it. Because the hair gets all caught up in them and all that stuff. But I absolutely love these wig stands. I saw them on Amazon. I can't wait to try them, because I needed some more, because as y'all know, honey, Auntie is addicted to units. So stocked up on these. And I can't remember how much these were, but like I said, I will have these linked down below with my Amazon link. And I think it's a lot that comes in here. 3 comes in a pack. So this is a total of 6. Okay, 3 in a pack. So and they were very reasonable, guys. So if you want some wig stands, or if you're in the market for some new wig stands, you definitely want to try these out. Okay, what else is in here? Child, this has been a long day, y'all. Oh, this is another brush. So this is by Crave Naturals, and this is a glide through detangling brush. So I got that. See if I can, y'all can see that. Okay. I absolutely love this brush as well. So my daughter had one, so I decided to get me one because she took hers back with her to school. So this is another item I got. Again, I washed all of my units, and you'll see those videos. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, but your girl washed like, I had what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or 6 units that I washed in one day. And I needed my detangling utensils so that I can, you know, get through the process. So, yes. So, guys, I have one more item I want to show you guys, and it's an unboxing for my fall favorites and finds. And that's what the name of the title of this video is going to be as well. Fall favorites and finds, because we're not showing any fashion in this video. I have a separate video coming up, y'all, for the fashion, honey. So let me see if I can move some of this stuff out of the way, because I have another different type of unboxing coming up after this video. And yes, I'm going to bring my little table over. Y'all having a good day? I hope y'all are. So Guys, I ordered this item, backstory. I ordered the item, y'all, from Best Buy. And honey, Best Buy tried to play me, girl. Why when I got the item, first off, the delivery guy brought the item, he just dropped it on the ground. And I have that on camera. And needless to say, it was fine. I was a little perturbed, but it was okay. And I ended up going to, when I opened the box, y'all, they sent me the wrong item. But yet and still, they billed me for the item I ordered. The item I ordered was more than the item I got that they gave me. So I ended up going to Best Buy and I explained the situation to them, y'all. I don't know what is going on up in the doggone inventory house, girl. But honey, they could not find that item in the system. They could see, it was weird. They could see the item in the inventory list. It was showing available, but yet I think they had to go to another system or something to like pull it for stock, and it wouldn't pull. And the guy was able to confirm, the manager, that it was definitely in stock. He was like, no, we have this in stock. He said, I don't know why it's showing it keeps bringing up the cheaper item, right, for delivery, but it will allow you to order the more expensive item. Follow that if you will, and figure that out and let me know what you think is going on. But anyway, honey, I took it back and I got my right item. So this particular item, I cannot wait. Y'all, I'm so glad to do this unboxing because I actually bought this three months ago. And so I'm so excited. This was inspired by my girl, Operation Nikki. Okay, you know, we're pink girlies. We are obsessed with pink, obsessed with organization and OCD and all the things. I'm not saying she's OCD because I'm not trying to clinically diagnose nobody, but I know I am. So I am obsessed. So let me show you guys. I'm so excited for this because I'm in desperate need of this, girl. This is the, oh my gosh, y'all, the cooling 9-liter mini fridge. I'm so excited. I am in desperate need of this, y'all. Oh my gosh. If y'all saw what I'm working with right now, the fridge that I have, I'm going to actually show y'all my current fridge. Baby, this right here, we're going from, honey, look, we're going like Joseph in the Word of God, honey. We're going from the pit to the palace, baby, with this one. Oh my goodness, look at her. Look at her, guys. Let me put her on the ground because I have a messed up shoulder, y'all, and I have to be very mindful and careful how I do things, lift things and stuff. So this is it. This is her. Oh my gosh, y'all, she is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Let me give you guys a good look. Isn't she gorgeous? Y'all, the sun is going down, so my lighting is looking crazy. I'm sorry. Y'all, isn't she gorgeous? She's a beaut. Y'all, look at that. Oh my goodness. She is so stinky cute. There's a USB port in the back. Look at the real estate in this thing, guys. Oh my goodness. This is so much real estate in this fridge. And this is a skincare fridge, and I'm in desperate need of a new one. Honey, matter of fact, let me show y'all what I'm working with now. Hold on, I'll be right back. I want to show y'all what I currently am dealing with as far as my makeup fridge. Okay, ladies, when I say we're going from the pit to the palace, I mean from the pit to the palace, and this is leaking a little bit. Look at what I'm currently dealing with compared to what I just got. Don't get me wrong, y'all. And I'm not going to open her up because I have some items in here. But baby, this is what we've been working with. Look at that. And see, she's leaking. Girl, no to the ma'am, to the ma'am, to the ma'am, honey. No, ma'am. Girl, we went from the pit to the palace with this one, okay? I cannot wait to set homegirl up, okay? When I tell you I'm in desperate need of her, oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have her. So happy. And I have a few more items over here on this table. I did a review on these items, but I'm going to show you guys these items since I'm looking at them. And these are some additional fall finds. Okay, guys, I just put them in my lap. So, some additional fall finds would be y'all, these are so stinking cute. When I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness, look at these, guys. I don't know if y'all can see these, but these are straw covers. And you just take these and you put them over your straw, you know, when you're drinking. And so this is how they look. I have to use this arm. This is how they look. Can y'all see that? I might need to bring y'all in a little bit. And then this is the piece that you put on top of your straw. And you cover your straw with it. Aren't they cute? This was the leopard print. And I thought the leopard print was so girly and dainty. So I got that. And then the next item I got, guys, were these leopard straws. These are plastic. I got these from Amazon. Again, I'll have all of my items linked down below. I absolutely love these. Aren't they cute? They are leopard print plastic straws from Amazon, and they have the straw cleaner. They come with the straw cleaner. And my next two items, I debuted them in another video as well. I kind of think y'all are hot, but it's okay. And yes, y'all, I love these items. I'm gonna bring y'all in just a little bit. Hold on. Okay, ladies, y'all look so much better. I had to bring you guys in a little bit and bring you down. So my next fall finds, but also I know they're going to be my fall favorites, are the products I ended up purchasing from the Nordstrom sale this year. So this is a T3 Single Pass Smooth X Flat Iron. Y'all, love her. You guys can see. Give this time to focus. Bring it up here. There you go. Guys, she is so cute. Y'all, I'm watching my puppy because, yes, y'all, he's bad child. I went and picked him up. As you know, he was with my daughter. But here's the flat iron. Isn't she cute, guys? I got her in the rose gold because y'all know we are pink girls. Our favorite color is pink and bling. We're such girls. We're just girls. That's all. We're just girls. Isn't she cute? I love the rose gold. I cannot wait to use this. And again, this particular flat iron, you know, the T3 products, they actually have a system where the product adjusts, the heat adjusts to the texture of your hair. So the product has a sensor that can detect your hair texture and type, your hair texture, and it will adjust the heat according to your hair texture. So I cannot wait, y'all, to use that. Absolutely obsessed. And then the other item I got from the Nordstrom sale, guys. So guys, I am an Icon member for Nordstrom's, and so with that, I had a lot of points. And so I basically got these items for free. Shameful to say, but it's true. The next one is the T3 Style Max, and this is the T3 Featherweight Style Max hair dryer. Of course, again, we got her in the pink, in the rose gold. They call it rose gold. I call it pink. She's so cute. I cannot wait to use her. And these are all the items that came in it. I'm trying my best to show you guys without dropping it. So here are the items that comes in it. You have the diffuser, the comb, as well as the dryer itself, and the nozzles. Love that for me. Come a little bit closer so you guys can see. Y'all, isn't that gorgeous? She's so pretty. Yes. So guys, I think that is it for this video, y'all, honey. This has turned into a full-on haul, child. So I need to clean up my room and get ready for to record my next video. So y'all stay tuned because y'all gonna love this next one, honey. We're doing fashion on the next one. So thank y'all for joining me for my first. Is this my first one? No, because I did a fall unit video. So ladies, thank you for joining me on my second fall video. This video is my fall favorites and finds. Tune in for the next one because that is going to be a fashion video. Y'all, we got some purses, honey, that we picked up. So I need y'all to check it out, okay? But as always, until then, this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice in what? And be glad in it. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.
Oh, that we could always see such spirit through the years.